Hello and welcome. One of the keys to reliably delivering value to our customers at a low cost is managing flow. When we achieve flow, we continuously transform inputs such as ideas, energy, materials, and money into valuable products and services. Without flow, our processes face many interruptions that cause delays and losses. As we stop and start, we handle items multiple times or become less productive due to the time and attention required when switching between tasks. As we build up work in process, we add costs to handle, store, and retrieve our semi-finished products or tasks. When we batch our work, we risk creating defects or making multiple errors that can't be immediately detected. When this happens, it can result in scrapping or reworking a large amount of work. Managing flow allows us to design our processes so that we can take advantage of the benefits of shorter lead times, flexibility, and reduce work in process. This also gives us the ability to detect errors earlier. Although we use the term flow, it's important to remember that managing flow involves more than simply moving work from one process to the next. What we call flow is rooted in the just-in-time pillar of lean management. Although just-in-time is sometimes misunderstood to mean zero inventory, in reality it means systems that have the capability to deliver what customers need, when they need, and the amount they need. Just-in-time systems are built deliberately for the building blocks of takt time, one-piece flow, and downstream pull. Sustaining a flow through the just-in-time principle also requires supporting systems such as level loading of demand, building good quality into each process, standard work, visual management, and continuous improvement. Although the idea of managing flow has been developed in supply chains and production environments, these same principles apply to any environment where we need to deliver value over time. One example of flow outside of production is Agile Kanban. This is a visual management system for improving the flow of ideas. Agile Kanban is typically used in software development or for teams working on other projects related to knowledge work. Additionally, many organizations have adapted the principles for managing flow to service, hospitality, and customer experience environments. Hospitals that design their processes around patient flow improve quality, safety, wait times, and patient satisfaction. Hotels, restaurants, airports, and entertainment venues also design their process to improve the flow of people and how services are delivered to them. There are additional benefits when we succeed at making material flow through complex supply chains, production lines, and cells. From a customer point of view, flow reduces lead times and improves on-time delivery. Because materials move along with less waiting, overall inventory costs are lower in a flow system. With less materials moving through in a smooth flow, less space is needed. Also, when we can flow faster in smaller quantities, this also allows us to design, build, or acquire smaller equipment that is fit for purpose and lower cost. If there are so many benefits to managing flow, why doesn't everyone do it? This is because there are many barriers in how people and organizations work, and flow isn't always easy to achieve. Typical barriers to flow include equipment designed for batch or high-speed operation, processes with unreliable quality or output, changeover times between individual products or tasks, or other sources of process, product, or service variation. As we reduce work in process and connect processes, we expose barriers and previously hidden problems. Whether it's knowledge work or production, part of the effort to establish flow is removing barriers and stabilizing the process first. As we stabilize processes, we reduce cost, which provides additional benefits. Regardless of the type of product, service, or process, and whether we are building a Kanban board, a value stream, or a cell, this is only the start. There are many supporting practices and systems. Building cells or other flow processes require that we understand what's involved and make a long-term commitment to establishing these habits and systems. That wraps up our review of managing cellular workflow. We'll see you soon.